So this is our first ever G3 17-inch. And this thing goes all the way up to a 1060 MQ GPU. It has 8th generation processors from Intel all the way up to an i7. And as you can see, the value you're getting with this machine, it's pretty remarkable. 17-inch for $799. It's probably the best deal out there for a 17-inch gaming system. You get your blue backlighting, and we also offer it in a few different colors depending on where you are in the world. You may have different colors like red, blue, and then the black and blue color that you see here. And white, we have a white on the 15-inch
I love seeing a little of that variety. It feels like gaming has just been so black chassis
black
with
and
the
red
lighting.
Yeah.
And so this, just the fact that you have the blue lighting just adds a little something, makes it stand out.
Yeah, it just changes it up. It helps you kind of identify the Dells versus everybody else's gaming systems, which are black with red accents. Fully gaming capable, as you would expect from any of our gaming G-Series type products or Inspiron gaming products.